The heritage of Mercury Mercruiser is a heritage of performance and of leadership. A heritage that started over 60 years ago, long before the first stern drive unit was even designed. It was 1939 when Mercury Marine began as the Kieckhafer Corporation in Cedarburg, Wisconsin. Carl Kieckhafer, a young engineer, bought a failed manufacturing facility, planning to build magnetic clutch and brake assemblies for cream separators. Along with the plant, he acquired 300 defective outboard motors, which he saw as an opportunity to raise some much-needed capital. He spent 2 weeks studying and improving on the design. Then, with the help of a few employees, rebuilt each and every motor. The original purchaser not only bought the products they had rejected 3 months earlier, but placed a new order for 500 more. Soon after, with a second firm requesting orders, Kieckhafer was on the path to becoming the world's leading marine propulsion manufacturer. In 1940, Kieckhafer introduced the name Mercury after the Roman god of speed and assigned it to a new line of outboard motors. 20 years later, in 1960, our engineers designed the first Mercury stern drive unit, an external drive system like an outboard's, which was attached to an inboard engine. Introduced to the public in 1961, the stern drive was the perfect fusion of Mercury outboard safety and engineering with a large inboard's convenience, power, and fuel economy. Christened Mercruiser, the engine single-handedly transformed the future of marine engine technology. But it didn't exactly start out that way. The initial showing at a Chicago boat show received a cool reception. Accustomed to outboard power, boat builders were skeptical of this new inboard-outboard engine. But when Kieckhafer entered a pre-production model in the 1961 Miami to Nassau race and won, he proved the dependability, speed, and performance of the stern drive. And ever since, Mercruiser has continued to earn its position as the leader in marine propulsion, not just through countless racing victories, but with unprecedented acceptance among consumers and boat builders alike. In fact, it wasn't long before the name Mercruiser became the industry standard, prompting the construction of a plant dedicated to Mercruiser production in Stillwater, Oklahoma. The plant officially opened in 1975, and in just 10 years, the 1 millionth Mercruiser engine came off the assembly line. Now, with more than 2.5 million engines produced, the future of Mercruiser looks brighter than ever. All thanks to our ongoing commitment to innovation, to technology, and to performance, and to making sure that each and every engine we produce lives up to its reputation as #1 on the water.